Hello everyone! Why is Chongqing's Mala Xiang Guo spicy stir-fry pot so delicious? Today, I'm going to share with you the detailed method for making this dish. Let's follow along with the video to see how it's done. Prepare a suitable amount of large shrimp, cleaned, and trim off the shrimp whiskers, legs, and rostrum. Then, slice open the back of the shrimp to allow more flavor to soak in and remove the vein. After processing, place the shrimp into a bowl. Add half a spoon of salt, a little cooking wine, and an appropriate amount of white pepper powder, then mix well by hand. After mixing evenly, marinate for 10 minutes. Prepare a lotus root and cut it into thick slices. After slicing, place them on a plate for later use. Prepare 2 fresh shiitake mushrooms and slice them as well. Slice 1 Chinese yam. Cut 1 green pepper into pieces. Cut 1 red pepper into pieces as well. Cut an appropriate amount of onion into chunks. After cutting, place them on a plate. Cut 1 cucumber into slices at a diagonal angle. You can also adjust the ingredients according to your own preferences. Prepare 10 grams of ginger and slice it. Slice a few cloves of garlic. After slicing, place them on a plate and add a handful of dried chili peppers and an appropriate amount of Sichuan peppercorns. Pour a generous amount of cooking oil into the pan. When the oil is heated to about 50% hot, add the prawns and fry them until the surface is golden and crispy. This makes them more fragrant and delicious. Fry for about 20 seconds and that's enough. Alright, remove them and drain the oil. Then add the prepared vegetables, stir a few times with a spoon, and fry for about 30 seconds. This will make the vegetables crispier. Alright, remove them and drain the oil. Leave a little oil in the pan, then add the ginger, garlic, dried chili peppers, and Sichuan peppercorns, and stir fry until fragrant. Once fragrant, add half a spoon of doubanjiang and half a spoon of chili sauce. Stir fry until fragrant and until the red oil comes out. Then add the vegetables and the prawns. Stir fry everything evenly. Start seasoning by adding a spoonful of chicken bouillon, a little sugar to enhance the flavor, and a bit of white pepper. Add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce. A little oyster sauce. Stir fry the seasonings until they dissolve and become fragrant. Then add the onions and cucumbers and stir fry quickly for 10 seconds. If you have it, you can sprinkle a little white sesame on top, just give it a quick stir to mix. Alright, it's ready to serve. A mouth-watering and appetizing spicy stir-fry is done. Rich in nutrition, full of aroma, delicious and satisfying. If you like it, be sure to save the recipe and give it a try.